Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the most common black Decker portable AC problems and how you can easily fix them without replacing the parts unnecessarily. So if the black Decker AC is running but not cooling, you can just simply start by checking the operating mode. So make sure that it is set on the cool mode, which will be visible over here. So it should not be on the fan or the dry mode, and you need to also verify that the exhaust hose is securely connected and venting hot air outside. Now if on the display of it you are seeing the P1 error or the waterfall error, the internal condensate tank has reached its limit. So you need to simply drain the water using the lower drain outlet, then reinstall the drain plug securely and restart the unit. Now, if the AC powers on but the compressor never starts, don't assume that it is faulty right away. Black Decker portable ACs include a built-in compressor protection delay of about 3 minutes after power is restored and after changing the modes. Now, you need to also inspect the air filters and the condenser air inlets. The dust buildup restricts the airflow, reducing cooling performance and sometimes causing the unit to shut down for overheating protection. If the unit shuts off unexpectedly, you need to make sure that the unusual noises. You can also check if it is standing on the flight level surface with enough clearance around the air intake and exhaust. So you can just simply keep these simple things in mind and you will be able to easily fix any of the problems that you are getting. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.